everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is going to be my very first DIY video where I show you how to make this backdrop back here for less than $15. I literally bought everything at Home Depot under 15 bucks. I used 3 10-foot PVC pipes and they do cut it for you. It's so convenient. So I'll be showing you guys the exact measurements you need as well as how many T-pieces, end caps, and then the elbows, which is just like the end parts you use, kind of like Legos, to piece it all together. So with that being said, let's get started. So these are all the materials needed in order to do your DIY backdrop. It's basically 3/4 inch PVC pipes. It's only 3 big ones you guys do need to buy. I just had them cut it for me in 3 different measurements. These right here are the T-pieces, these are the elbows, and these are the end caps. These pieces right here are what's gonna put all of these together. So make sure these do come in the same size that fit the PVC pipes, which would be 3/4 in this case. So we're gonna start off by building the foundation first, which is basically the legs of the backdrop stand. We're gonna grab 2 of the 16-inch PVC pipes as well as 1 of the T-pieces for each leg. They're super easy to just stick into the piece, kind of like Legos. And then once you have the legs done, we're gonna go ahead and get 1 of the 30-inch PVC measurements and put it on each leg. Then after that, you're gonna grab another one of the T-pieces and adjust it right on top of that 30-inch PVC pipe, as well as grabbing another one and adding it right on top. And you're gonna do that to each one of the legs. After you add the 30-inch PVC pipes, you're gonna go ahead and grab the 54-inch PVC pipe and just put it into the middle right here. And you're gonna connect it right to that end over there. So now that we have our base nice and sturdy, it's time for the finishing touch. After that's all done, we're gonna go ahead and grab the elbow pieces and put them right on top of each one of the PVC pipes. Just like that. And then we're gonna grab the second 54-inch pipe and just pin it right at the top. And then these end caps, we're just gonna place them at the end of each one of the, I believe, 16-inch PVC pipes, which would be the legs, as I would just call them. So this is how it looks once it's nice and built. The whole frame is about 6 feet wide. I did go ahead and bought some clamps because I did purchase some fabric for this backdrop and have already tested it. I know the clamps are sturdy. They're actually really sturdy, and in height I would say it's about 5 feet and 8 inches or 9 inches, not sure. It's taller than me and I'm 5'7". But it's a pretty big frame for only, like, I believe $15 it cost me with the clamps, so it's probably cheaper than that. These are only $1, so just discount $2 for that. But this is how it looks like all done. So I hope you guys did find this DIY useful. As for the fabric, I did purchase it at a fabric store. If you guys want to know where exactly, leave a comment down below, as well as any other questions for the DIY. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and then like this video. See you guys in my next one. Bye.